Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share something special about our work in the LEXUS RX330, and this is what I would say DJ music style. So why it is that? So at first it's already been fit with the 9-inch premium setup by MPX AUTOS into the LEXUS RX330 2005. This one was the one with the high level navigation screen before, and now is with the 9-inch premium 9-inch setup. But we focus on the sound system and the DJ function system that I want to mention. All other function, please look up other two videos for wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto already in our channel. Now look at here. I turn on the radio. Okay, so we actually listening the radio here, and I can see that there's radio section over here, and I can turn on the radio. Okay, so that is the radio, and when I press the button it will come up on the screen the new system with it. Beautiful, no worry. But what is DJ? Okay, DJ means that we can mix up this one with other thing, right? Okay, now look at this. I will turn on my wireless Android Auto, the same thing as Apple CarPlay, and look at this way. I will turn on the Spotify from this one, and you hear that? I can turn on Spotify from the top, and I can lower the radio from the bottom. Okay, and it is running some sound from the top advertisement for the Spotify. Let it play for a little bit, and then we will see, other music coming up. But at least you can see that currently on the top it is the sound. Okay, the sound coming from the top now. Okay, and the radio is low at the bottom, and we actually are listening the radio now at the bottom. You see that? So we are listening the radio here, and now I will turn on my Spotify, and I will mix up with the same level. Okay, so here's beautiful matching point of the sound from the top to the bottom. I can listen FM radio and Spotify at the same time, with the same sound level, and that's what I call DJ sound style. Okay, this is for fun. Definitely it's for fun, but yeah, we need a lot of fun in our life, right? And sometimes if you're so boring with the new system, if you're so boring with everything in the life, get into the car, turn on the DJ style like this, and you rock it. So thanks again for watching, and you know that we definitely can control this one as single system, no problem. If I want to turn off the FM radio, certainly I can do that. I can put it up here like this, turn it off, and I come back to my Spotify and listen to Spotify easily like this. Okay, simple. But if I want to mix up, simply I press it again, and I come here and I mix it up again, and I have DJ music for my a bit of boring time. But it's not boring right now, 100%. Thanks again. I'm Jen from MPX Autos, and see you then in the next one.